Hey there, it's Amy Harber. I got another Tomboy beauty video. That's right, I pulled another one out of the beauty vault. Summer, as in last summer. Walmart beauty box, which is really sad because I could have used some of this stuff last summer. Lisa, I guess I'll use it this summer. So this is the beautiful box, which got one thing here I'm really interested in, and I think you can tell just by looking at this what it's probably going to be. Let's get into the products. So, summer, as in last summer. Walmart beauty box. This is actually a cute little box. How that got lost in the beauty vault, I'll have no idea. It's very summery and cute. Anyway, because it's expired, I can't enter to win a $100 gift card, which it's Walmart. Do you know how far $100 could go? Like, I could buy the whole fucking store. Anyway, we've got some thick and soft Kleenex wet wipes, which is a gentle clean for hands and face. What? You can clean your face with these? Oh my gosh. Like, that's incredible. I'm excited, but that's not what I was teasing in the opener. Still, these are adorbs. They're like little adult kid wipes for your hands or your face. Then we have Pantene foam conditioner, which has been in like every single person's beauty box for the past year and a half. I've had like about 7 cans of this. It's good for a light conditioner. It doesn't weigh down your hair. However, it does not get my knots out. It just does not. Then we have Garnier Skin Active Soothing 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask, made with rose water and made without mineral water, parabens, silicones, or dye. I guess you could find it in skincare aisle. What do? Oh, so you can use it in day or night, but you put the mask on, leave it for 10 minutes, and it intensely nourishes and reduces skin's tightness. Yay! All about that self-care. Then, oh my gosh, I've tried this before too. This has been like other beauty boxes. Garnier Fructis Damage Repair Treat 1-minute hair mask with papaya extract. I love this. It's great. It's like real quick mask. Put it on your hair, shave your body, like shave your legs, shave your toes, shave your private, shave your underarm, whatever you gotta shave. And then take this off your hair. You'll be fine. Then we have, ooh, see, this is what I could use last summer, especially when I was doing all dancing at concerts and everything. Village Naturals Therapy, Aches and Pains, Muscle Relief, Foaming Body Oil and Body Wash, and then also hand and body lotion. This is going to be for after the gym someday now. I'm excited. Then finally, this is what I was teasing. It's a Soo AE. I always forget how to pronounce this. Anyway, it's donkey milk. Donkey milk. Like, I didn't know you could milk donkeys. Apparently, like Meet the Parents, if anything has nibbles, you can milk it. So it's a donkey milk skin gel mask. I did not know that donkey milk is apparently good for your skin, but apparently that's what's happening. So there. Yay. That is that. I waited a whole year for that. That's where you can find me. Until next time, stay beautiful.